In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for ticketing step by step, using ClickUp's built-in help desk templates to create a simple and powerful ticket management system. This is perfect if you want to manage customer support requests, internal IT tickets, or task-based issues all in one place. You don't need any extra software, and you can set this up in just a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to create your ticketing system. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar where all your spaces are listed. Spaces in ClickUp help you organize work by teams or functions, and this is where we'll build our ticketing setup. Next, click on the option to create a new space. This is important because keeping your ticketing system in its own space makes it easier to manage, scale, and control permissions later. When prompted, type in a name for your space. You can call it something like Help Desk, Support Tickets, IT Requests, or anything that matches how you plan to use it. After naming the space, you'll see an option to use templates. Go ahead and click on Use Templates. ClickUp has several ready-made templates, and this is where the real time-saving magic happens. In the template search bar, type in Help Desk. This will bring up ClickUp's Help Desk templates that are specifically designed for ticketing workflows. From the results, click on the Help Desk folder. This folder includes pre-built lists, statuses, and workflows that are ideal for handling tickets from start to finish. Once you're inside the Help Desk folder preview, click on Use Template. Now ClickUp will ask you to select a location for this template. Choose the space you just created for ticketing. Confirm the location, then click to use the template. ClickUp will automatically create folders, lists, and tasks that represent tickets, complete with useful statuses like New, In Progress, Waiting on Response, and Closed. At this point, your ticketing system is live. Each task in the Help Desk list acts as a ticket. You can assign tickets to team members, set priorities, add due dates, and communicate directly inside each ticket using comments. You can also customize fields to track things like issue type, requester, or urgency. One great thing about using ClickUp for ticketing is automation. You can later add automations to assign tickets automatically, change statuses, or notify team members when new tickets come in. This makes ClickUp a powerful alternative to traditional ticketing tools, especially for small teams and startups. And that's it. You've successfully set up ClickUp for ticketing using the Help Desk template. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow ClickUp guides and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.